All right, Jade, Andy, where are we at? Walmart. We are at Walmart. We actually came to get our own groceries, like normal people do, instead of doing pickup and delivery. So this next week, because we had so much junk food, which Jade is going to get to partake of as well, and Andy still will. Yes, partake it. I even had Bo request that he wanted healthy food, which I was like, oh, this is great. It's exactly my plan worked. So what's going to happen is we are going back to just function like this next week, and we'll probably start meal prep tonight, huh? Maybe, I don't know. We don't know yet, but. Next week's focus is going to be blood sugar and stable energy because my blood sugar's been dropping nonstop. So y'all ready to go grocery shopping? Yeah. Okay.
There we go. I got it. Okay. Sound like mom. No, she always get out of my face. Okay. Hey. She always be taking a picture. Does it look like I'm... Then it's like, oh wait, it's recording. Okay. Get out my face.
Guess what? We have nuts.
I love how you left the buggy with me. The nuts. Oh, you take the buggy. Take the buggy. We got the nuts.
We got the same thing?
Yeah. This they do. It's not. They never like. Look at that pack. It's got. Yes. I don't know. Oh my god. See? That wasn't mom. It's cotton candy. Have you had cotton candy? Wait, pause. Hello? You feeling my cheek well? We gotta turn around again. So now we're getting some taco seasoning. Yay. Only room for real. So now we got some diced tomatoes, but we're not gonna get it. She keeps recording me. Here.
Stay right here for the bucket.
Oh, we're getting stranded. We're stranded, guys. She's running away. Prego. Oh, that's glass. Oh. So we just got stranded. We are lost in the middle of the Walmart. Yes. Never let us record again. I can record. She's coming back. Don't worry. Parent survival mode.
I'm so sorry.
Earmuff confessions. Earmuff confessions part 2. I love that cake. Frozen time.
We should get matching moo-moos.
Guys, I 10 out of 10 recommend these grapes. Okay, we're back to the frozen aisle because...
Dog, quit. Especially seasoned gumbo with rice. I'm not buying it.
Oh, okay.
Am I buying it?
I'm not buying it, nor am I buying it.
I'm not buying it that it's like authentic and
Earmuff confessions part 2. She is not buying it.
Earmuff confections.
Earmuff infections. I just recorded you.
Look at her shoes. Mom,
She is feeling
crunchy.
Finish the lyrics.
C-U-N-T.
Hey,
crunchy.
Finish the lyrics. Charlie. Cookie.
Really crunchy.
Really crunchy. Yes, that's it. OTD. We are in the grape section, and those look really crunchy. We got crunchy grapes. She's serving.
I'm serving what?
Work, girl, work.
Jade, move.
Per.
Mom, this outfit I just something else.
You're serving.
This outfit. No
Serve.
serving.
Work.
Work it. We're low J Dell.
Jamming out music. Look at green beans. Look at the buggy. They're gonna look so cute. Work, girl, work. Green beans. Cucumber. Sweet peppers. Secure.
That's secure.
We're getting some berries.
Yeah, I'm solitary jail.
Blueberries. She's running away. We're in Walmart again. We are about to check out.
Oh yeah.
Period. Valentine setup.
Is your uterus such? Is it detarchy? Your uterus is that such? 12 hours later. I just want to get home. I don't want to be here. Get me out of this place. It's cool. It's like literal Disney people. It was like Disney in your time. Where people just stop in front of me.